friends, welcome back to my channel. My name is Liz, and if you're new around here, we do a ton of beauty related content, mainly makeup tutorials, which is what you're about to see. Today we're just going to do a simple work makeup for the day. I wanted to try out this new glitter puck that I got. It's called a glitter puck dopamine sparkle from Half Magic. It's so gorgeous, absolutely love it. So I wanted to give that a go, and this is what I came up with. So we'll do eyes and face and lips. So if you want to know how I got this makeup look, then please keep on watching.
Hello friends, as usual, let's start with our skincare. So Hyperreal Serumizer, we're going to rub that all over the face and then go in with the balm. Let this sit before we start our eye makeup. I'm going to use lip gloss below. This just helps to plump the lips up a little bit. It's really nice. So this is the 24-hour eye base from MAC. I take it on the lids and on my eyebrows as well. And then I go in with the Super Lock Brow Gel from Maybelline. I've said it before, I'll say it again. I love this formula. The brush is just too soft. So if we can get a stiffer brush, that would be great. So then you can actually lay it down. So I'm going to start the eyes with Coffee Pencil. I'm going straight onto the upper lash line and going across the lid. I'm going for more of a halo look, and I'm also taking in the tight line of the upper lashes as well, so that it's really dark there. Before it all sets, I'm taking a stiff pencil brush just to soften that, and that's the base. So then we're going to go in with Black Track. This is a black cream liner, and I will say if you're going to use it to blend and blow out, do little bits at a time. Otherwise, you will find that bits of the product dry before you can blend. Starting on the inner corner because I want to gauge how far in I want to go, and blending that first with the stiff pencil brush, and then going in the outer corner because it's a bigger space, it'll dry faster. So I'm just making sure that I'm blending in between layers as well, otherwise it will get cakey. So I'm taking the Nude Board palette from MAC and I'm going in with a fluffy brush over the Black Track to start with. I want to focus all of the shading and blowout just over those two dark areas on the inner and outer corner first before I kind of bring it in a little bit. I'm taking in Confidence just to help soften that into the middle of the lid and also into the crease as well. Then I'm going back in Confidence and blending that out again and just softening all those edges. You'll see now that I'm starting to go through the entire crease just to give a little bit of definition. Then I'm taking the Dopamine Sparkle. This is the glitter puck and it is amazing. I honestly didn't even think that something like this could exist. It has sparked me to find more Half Magic products to try. I absolutely love it. So if you're curious, do give it a go. So I just use my blending brush just to go over the center and soften it out, and then the coffee liner on my lower lash line again, some mascara, and then we move on to the skin. So using Studio Radiance primer. I do love a good primer, but I don't always feel like it's necessary. Going with the Pink Light Strobe Cream just on the tops of my cheeks and under my eyes. This was the first time that I used it and I really liked how it sat underneath my foundation. Then I'm using the She Glam cream contour, and then I just spritz a bit of Fix Plus Magic Radiance before I start blending that out. I forgot to put it down before, so just putting it on now. Then I'm taking the Glow Play blush in Ginger Luck. This has got to be one of my favorites. It's up there with So Natural and Totally Synced, like just really pretty. Then over the top, I'm going in with my foundation combination, which is Studio Fix Fluid and Strobe Dewy Skin Tint. Then I'm going in with the Studio Radiance Concealer underneath my eyes for just a little bit of cleanup. When my eyes are this dark, I do tend to put more concealer on than normal, but I just wanted something there. I didn't want to go too crazy because it is so hot this summer. So then I'm going in with my NARS Cream Bronzer in Casino and just taking that on the outer perimeter of my face. I didn't go too crazy with it underneath the foundation. I just wanted a little bit of a bronze today, nothing too intense. Then I'm taking the Candied Copper. This is actually a highlight that came out with the Christmas set. I like it as a blush on my skin tone. It sits really nicely. So I popped a layer of that down, and then to blend that in with everything, I just went over it with a little bit more of Ginger Luck. It's such a beautiful, beautiful color. All the creams are done, so we go in with Fix Plus. This is the Stay Over, which is the setting spray. Once that's all dry, you can let it air dry or use a fan. I like to use my mirror. I'm going to go in with my powder layer. So I'm going in with Give Me Sun Bronzer. This has got to be one of my favorites at the moment. I'm really, really loving the same cheek. Warm Soul Blush. It's just beautiful. It sits so well with the bronzer. It sits so well with all the cream products underneath it. And it just works really, really well. And then I'm going in with this palette from MAC, taking that highlighter shade out of that came from the Pearlescence collection. I think I have everything from that collection actually. And I'm just going underneath my eyebrows just to connect all of that sparkle and on my cheekbones. Then I'm taking the setting duo. This is the lavender and the translucent on a really stiff brush and tapping that under my eyes to set it in place. And then I'll go in with the loose version of the foundation Studio Fix Pro Set and Blur, I think is what it is. And just going over the rest of my face that hasn't had a powdered product on it, just to set everything in place. I'm going to take Oak Lip Liner Pencil today. I have been loving this pencil as well. It sits really, really nicely on my lips. I don't know about you guys, but some lip pencils sit well and some don't. This is the MAC Locked Kiss Ink 24-hour lipstick. I can't remember what it was called, but it's a nudie one. It's really, really pretty. So I put that on, and then I go in with the Lip Glazer pencil in Night Moth just before the lipstick sets to blend in and give a bit of dimension. And that's it for the look. So let me know what you think. I hope you enjoyed.
Alrighty guys, that is it for this look. I hope you enjoyed. Let me know what you think down in the comments section. I hope you're having a great day or night wherever you are and whenever you're watching this, and I will see you in the next one. Bye!